Snow emergencies are now in effect in both Minneapolis and St. Paul. Now, this is video from the impound lot in Minneapolis. I hope that is not your car. Make sure to move your car if it's parked on the street to avoid getting a ticket and a tow. In Minneapolis, day 2 restrictions begin at 8 this morning. That means no parking on the even side of the non-snow emergency routes. And in St. Paul, routes will be clear. Day routes will be cleared starting at 8 a.m. So just a reminder for Minneapolis and St. Paul drivers. I know it's hard to remember sometimes, so we want to make sure everybody knows what to do today.
Certainly. All right, Allie, thank you.